The Middle East is holding its breath. A sudden wave of explosions, drones in the sky, smoke rising over some of the richest and most secure countries. And now the Iran Israel conflict is no longer confined to the usual battle zones. It is spreading across the Gulf. Reports say Iranian drone strikes have reached the United Arab Emirates, triggering chaos and fear among major economic hubs. In fact, one of the most shocking incidents happened in Abu Dhabi. Drone debris reportedly slammed into a complex connected to the Israeli diplomatic mission, damaging parts of the area and injuring several civilians. Suddenly, a city known for luxury towers and calm waters turned into a scene of sirens, security alerts, and emergency response team. But that was only the beginning. Welcome to Times XP. Well, just hours later, alarms were triggered in Dubai. Fragments from drones reportedly crashed into sensitive locations across the city. Damage was reported near Dubai International Airport, one of the busiest airports on the planet Earth. Flights were delayed, passengers were confused, and authorities rushed to secure the runways. Even iconic landmarks, they were not spared. Debris reportedly struck areas near the world-famous Burj Al Arab and the man-made island Palm Jumeirah. For a moment, the symbols of luxury tourism, it became symbols of a region sliding towards a dangerous confrontation. And in the meantime, thick black smoke began rising from Jabal Ali port. Well, the port, one of the largest shipping hubs in the world, reportedly caught fire after drone debris. It triggered explosion in a storage area. Operations at the massive ports, they were immediately disrupted. In the meantime, global shipping giant DP World, which runs the port, it temporarily halted the operations while emergency crews they battled the fire. Well, for global trade, that is a serious warning sign because Jabal Ali is not just a port, it is a gateway connecting Asia, Europe, and Africa. Any disruption over here, well, it sends shockwaves across international supply chain. And the conflict, it did not stop in the UAE. Further south, the strategic port of Duqm port in Oman, it was also reportedly targeted. Well, Duqm is an increasingly important logistic hub used by multiple international navies and commercial fleets. So any attack over there, it signals something much bigger. Well, the battlefield is expanding. What began as an intense confrontation between Iran and Israel is now spilling into crucial economic centers across the Gulf. Airports, ports, luxury tourist zones, global trade routes as well, all of a sudden is in crosshair. Security analysts warn that this could mark a dangerous turning point in the regional conflict because once major aviation hubs and shipping ports they become the target, the consequences are no longer regional, they become global. Oil markets react, airlines reroute the flights, and shipping companies raise the alarm. And here, the whole world is watching closely. The question is this a start of a wider Gulf conflict or a calculated warning from Tehran? Well, one thing is certain, the skies over the Middle East are becoming more dangerous every single day, and the next move could decide whether the crisis stays contained or explodes into full regional war.